Wow.
Okay, you want to go two more streets up?
We walked all the way to the end of this street and then back up, not knowing our house was right there. Yeah. So the next shopping street is the next one, right?
Okay.
We are very centrally located. I really think we want to see Alfalma. I feel like that's...
Stone?
Is that your suit for the...
Uh-huh.
Before we would hit a museum, would y'all be opposed after this to catching a Uber to the old town of Alfalma, Old Park?
Yeah, whatever.
I'd really like to see it.
Farm would be fine.
I don't want to miss it tomorrow.
You know, we went through there yesterday.
Yeah, but we were supposed to go back and stop. We didn't go down into the old town. We just were up on the top. He was going to take us back, but we just got sidetracked. What a pretty building.
Story Hotel.
Had we have corn right under here, distillate, I had one, and I'd be perfect. I'm just a little chilly.
Yeah, I think if we had an undershirt on.
Yeah.
Because I have the tights on and I felt warm there.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Baño. Feel the breeze on my back just a little. So how come last night this looked like everything was open? Sunday?
This seems like a different street, actually.
That was all lit up last night.
Yeah, I'm good for shoes now. There's a H&M up here. Yeah. The vintage shop.
My hand is fine for you. It's video me and Norma walking towards you.
Well, you have...
That building behind us is fabulous. Can I get it in there? Hold on. I know what to do. You can't do piano.
No, you can't. Facing towards you.
Okay, hold on. Sorry, y'all.
Hand-painted tiles.
That is a gorgeous building. Like, look at that.
So, are you sure that that wasn't the shopping street?
Well, so
H&M.
well, I think it took a little turn.
Let's just walk up
okay.
there.
I remember he kind of came down. I was like, okay, well, this is a little bit. So one thing I have noticed is that there's no litter in this city. If it is, it's very minor. Yeah. Oh, look at that. What do you call those? Sand boots or what is it called? Desert boots. Wow. Yeah. This is just like another little bit. The men's shop. The big store. I think we finished the street of Alfama. That's a fancy little Vespa.
It's very similar to the one Chase had.
I consider selling my Vespa couch, like getting it fixed and selling it, but that Vespa is 20 years old now, and it has less than like 60 miles on it. Oh my God. I just hang on to it. Yeah. And just, I mean, you know, that, they don't get like 2,000 for it, so hang on to it until it's 100 years old. Yeah.
Well, that's for my guys.
You need an H&M couch?
You guys go ahead.
No. A boutique shopper like these.
They're all closed.
But it is past 12, correct? Okay. Yeah, just the wrong day.
Oh, this is the elevator. We were up there yesterday.
How cool is that?
Okay, so I can do a pano on this one.
We were up at the top of that yesterday.
No, you want to sit on the get on the step right there, and I can get you in the pano. You and Calvin. Jump in. Like just right here. Yeah. Are you ready? Check that out.
It's awesome.
That came out good.
Wow.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Super good.
Turn it sideways?
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's what I was showing. Instead of going this way, you go this way. Yeah. Okay, well, let's go to the square and then we'll Uber or something. If y'all are down for that.
Yeah, I am.
Okay. It'd be a shame for us to miss her. What do you think that is? Oh, God, yellow. Colin Man. There's another Uber. This is the same jewelry store as the one beside us.
E&E.
Did you see this, Calvin?
Huh.
That's hilarious.
Those are only 15 euros each. Can't believe I'm not getting one.
Which one would you get?
Dinosaur.
The dinosaur, yeah. Okay.
Neat store. Look at everybody up there. How cute is that? Aww. Color index. That's quite cute. Now, are you aware about the ducks with Jeeps? See, we weren't. And somebody brought it to our attention, and it was like, we never knew. Oh, yeah.
Huh.
Oh, sexy accessory. Oh, sex games. How fun. Ring for sex.
Yes, please.
Or the little bell.
Right.
I need servicing.
Night out.
Oh my gosh, look at the unicorn.
Oh, how cute.
No, that's not cute. That looks awful.
That's a little scary, I think.
Well, okay, his mouth isn't supposed to be.
Yeah.
That's supposed to be stash.
But they're neat.
Personal alarm.
No. These are cute. Oh my gosh. Look at this.
Okay, I saw this on TikTok. It's right behind you, and the dogs love it. They chase
I
it.
was thinking about my cat.
Oh,
Porque son las únicas que hay. Sí, ¿no? No hay más. Es que están más abajo.
básicamente que tú vas a encaminarme. Después de ahí la ahora se va a mi mamá y a mi sobrino más que la que tiene a ver. Para cuidar más también.
Lead on.
Huh?
Lead on.
Lead on? Okay. We ready for me to call a Uber?
No, let's walk up and around. Let's check this out while we're here.
Okay, because there's cabs right there.
Yeah.
So Norm and I walked all of this. Well, if you notice, like, their pigeons are not starving. They are like little fat. Look at this one. Yeah, big. He's a monster. He's the boss. This one. What? Oh, he's a faker. Faker. This guy. He's like, my foot, give me something to eat. That sucker is huge.
The sardine place. They sure are.
They're pretty. On the other side.
Oh, big Ferris wheel. There's a perfume place up here. Did you stop there?
No, we didn't go in any That's that guy that was on that movie that was so stupid. You ever watched? What was it?
Can't even remember that because it was too stupid.
What was the character, was he? Brunette.
Well, let's go across.
Cap?
Yeah. Sure.
I think that's the square when we first got here. No, maybe not. Roundabout.
I don't think so. We came down on the other side.
Yeah.
Now, don't get hit by a bus.
Ouch. But you get free bed, food.
Maybe you'll be
some hot
dead.
guy give you a bath. Do the Marilyn Monroe right here. Look on the front, it says man. See it? M-A-N.
This is where all the Ukrainian supporters were yesterday.
Right, yes. Should have yelled out, America loves you.